What is up, everybody? In this video we are going to be cleaning a 2009 Nissan Murano. As you can probably tell, this car has had its fair share of Ohio weather, as it has salt and dirt all over the exterior of this vehicle. I'm also about to put this car up for sale, so I definitely want to get a quick cleaning on it and get it looking nice. Now moving on to the interior of this vehicle, which is actually in really good shape, especially since it's about 12 years old, aside from all the trash and bottles I hoard on the passenger side. Having rubber floor liners are super nice to have because they keep dirt out of your carpets and they're super simple to clean. On the interior of this car, all I did was give it a simple vacuuming as there was not much dirt on or in the carpets and seats. Vacuuming your car at least once a month can really help, as dirt really does build up over time, and who doesn't love a clean car? If you guys have any recommendations, suggestions, or rather see some in-depth full details, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I have found that these detail brushes work great for getting dirt out of the cracks in the dash and center console. I bought these brushes on Amazon, but even paint brushes you have lying around the house work great too. Moving to the exterior of this car, I made sure to give it a really good pre-soak to get as much salt and dirt off the car as I can. In my foam cannon, I use a snow foam concentrate mix and warm water. I definitely make sure to get full coverage on the car to lift as much dirt as possible. When it comes to the rubber mats, I simply use an all-purpose cleaning solution and a drill brush to scrub away any dirt. I make sure to be thorough when drying the car to prevent spots and watermarks. And just like that, this car is cleaned up and ready to be sold.